Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to build a very simple but nice pen holder that looks like a coffee cup. I start with a 2x 4-inch wooden plank and cut off a piece that is 7 centimeters. Then I cut off the short sides of the piece until it is 6 centimeters wide. Next, I cut the thickness of the piece until it is 4 centimeters. Now the piece has the correct dimensions. I drill 6 holes 5.5 centimeters deep with a 12 millimeter drill bit, 2 rows with 3 holes in each row. To make sure all the holes are perfectly straight, I use a pillar drill. I carefully smooth the edges of the holes with a countersink. Time to make the ear for the cup. I start by drilling a 25 millimeter hole in a piece that is about 1.5 centimeters thick and leave the piece in the same position. Then I switch to a 54 millimeter hole saw and drill without moving the bit out of position. This creates a ring that is approximately 15 millimeters thick. I make the edges of the piece and the ring a little rounder with the router. For the top of the cup, I use the smallest router bit for rounding, and for the bottom of the cup, one of the larger router bits. Then I cut the ring into 2 parts and glue one part to the short side of the cup. I hadn't planned to make a saucer for the cup, but I realized pretty quickly that the cup alone would be too unstable with pins in it. I take the biggest hole saw I have and cut out a round plate from a board that is about 1 centimeter thick. The hole saw is 92 millimeters in diameter, which produces a round plate of approximately 88 millimeters. The saucer is now glued to the cup and the glue has dried. Time to apply a layer of protective epoxy varnish. This is what it looks like when it's finished.